welcome back to another very exciting video regarding the selection of AI tools for academic writing. For example, you have done with the selection of AI writing tool, and when you're done with the writing and run your document against AI and plagiarism detection, and you found 100% AI detection in your document. This video is going to solve your problem because I'm going to introduce a tool with you which is not only going to help you to write best academic document, but also give you the content which is having no AI detection and zero plagiarism. So there is no need to go for the multiple AI tools to write your document. You can access the tool from the link given in the description box, or even you can write in the Google EssayGPT, and first link which is appear will direct you towards the platform. This tool will not only help you to write but edit and improve your essay with the best AI essay writing copilot. Research, cite and check plagiarism easily, so you are having all-in-one tool for all of your academic purposes. You just have to go to the dashboard and you can use its free trial to check the potential of this tool. When we see the interface, which is very user-friendly, and you can find three major options which are going to facilitate you in your academic writing. The first one is generator feature, the other one is a writer, and the third one is HIX scholar chat. So in short, this tool is not only going to help you to generate a new content, it is going to help you to rewrite, write, edit, proofread, and then to find the literature according to your research queries. First, we are going to help the explore its first feature, and this is a magical feature which is not only provides you the AI written content, and when you check its undetectable mode, this content will be AI detection free. So for example, I'm going to write about application of imidazole based ionic liquids in cosmetic. Now I have a choice to select the essay type that I want: a narrative essay, persuasive, comparative, or descriptive. So for example, I just want a descriptive essay. Then I can even choose the number of words which no tool is offering me. If I want to keep it short, or I want to expand this information. For example, I want to have it between 200 to 500 words, and then even can select any language from English to Urdu, Hindi, Spanish, Arabic, Persian, all of the unusual languages which multiple platforms are not offering you. So after selecting the languages and checking its undetectable mode, we will press its generate title feature. Now first it will generate a title of our document. So we have multiple options and we will go through and see the best one according to our query. For example, we want to move with this one, then even we can enter our customized title over here, but for example, we just want to go with this one. Then it will take us to the second step of the writing of any kind of a research document, that is to develop the perfect outline. So you can see that here we have a detailed outline, a chapter wise you can say, or you can say the section wise, and here even we can edit and make any changes we want to make in that specific outline we're not okay with. So for example, we are going with this specific outline EssayGPT has provided us. We will move towards generate essay, and at this step we will be able to get a complete essay according to the outline, and we customize it according to our requirement, according to our need, what we want to cover in that specific section. So here is the complete document: imidazole based ionic liquid enhancing cosmetic efficacy. We have multiple options at this to play with our document. Even for example, we can ask to rewrite it, summarize it, translate it, explain it, short it, long it, or continue writing. For example, we want to expand this information, and if you want to cite any kind of a specific term in the document, you just have to select that term and can open its cite option, and it will give you the list of multiple research papers that have been written on that specific term or a specific subject on which you are talking about, and you just have to press add citation, and it will give you the option of in-text citation. And in the same way, it is developing a list of the references as out-text citation, and you can select the style of references you want to keep in your document. Now before moving forward, this is the point that we have to check the AI detection of this document, and we are going to check the claim of this tool. So for that purpose, we are going to use multiple AI tools, and definitely we will keep in the top of our list the Turnitin and Originality AI, which are the best authentic AI tools available in the market to check the AI detection. So we will copy this document, we will feed GPT-0 with our content and run a scan. In the same way, we will feed copy leaks with our content and run scan at the same time, and we'll run check finally on Originality AI. According to the report of Turnitin, the plagiarism score in our document is 0%, and when we look at the AI detection, the AI detection is again 0% with the content which we have written with the help of EssayGPT and we run a direct check with these AI detection tool without any changing. In the same way, when we look at the report of GPT-0, it says that our content is 100% human written content, and in the same way AI detection according to the copy leaks in our document it's 0%. In the same way, we can see that Originality AI is also claiming that our content is almost 85% human written content, and this number can be increased with some manual changes.
In the same way, let's explore its two other very important features. The second one is the writer and the third one is the HIX scholar. Help of its writer feature, you are able to write essay, do citations, and build the outline of any kind of a research document. And HIX scholar chat provides you an opportunity to chat with a database of more than 200 million research paper. So first, when we click at the right, we have an option that we can drop our file over here, or we can upload it from our device. If we don't have any file, we can start writing from the scratch by just pressing // and we will get multiple suggestions from essay writer. Either we want to develop the outline of any kind of a research paper, or we want to write title or write abstract, introduction, or brainstorm any idea. For example, if you want to have an outline of a literature review about what are imidazole-based ionic liquids, we will get a complete outline of chapter-wise, and here again we have an option to customize this according to our needs. Along with developing the outline, essay writer provides you an opportunity to expand this information, and you just have to press the cursor where you want to make some changes. And the supporting feature of essay writer, HIX AI, will generate the information for us. If we are okay with the information, we can have it by pressing the insert now button. If we want to continue writing with the same style, we just have to press continue writing, and essay writer will keep writing for us about that specific topic. The research feature of essay writer help us to find the literature about our specific research topic from its 200 million plus research database, and if we find the related research paper in the searches, we can cite it by just pressing this cite button, and again it will help us to provide in-text and out-text citation at the same time. We can use its scholar chat feature to find the literature about our specific query, and we will have a list of research papers about that specific topic along with the summary from the literature. As we can see, essay writer provided us all the latest paper available on that specific topic. As we can see, this paper has been published in 2023 and the years of all the research paper provided by essay writers. We can check the source of these research paper by just clicking on the link available, and it will direct us towards the full research paper.
I hope so this tool is going to help you to solve a lot of your problem while using AI tools for your academic writing. If you like this video, don't forget to share your feedback in the comment section, and if you are feeling any kind of issue while using this tool, share your problem in the comment section. I will be there to answer you. See you in another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.